So tell me, how does the dynamics of this business work? I mean, is it entirely based on occasions? Is it based on just an annual kind of requirement? How does it work?
So things have changed a lot, and it's something that we saw about 7 years ago, that a trend was actually changing. Traditionally, gifting has always been about Diwali and New Year's, and when you tell people you do corporate gifting, they always think, oh, it must be the Diwali gifts, or it must be diaries or calendars over New Year's. The dynamics have changed drastically. Year on year, over the course of the last at least 5 years, you will see a steady decline in gifting in the traditional sense. Diwali gifting is going less and less. People who did silverware and traditional gifting are actually losing as much as 20-30% in terms of top line every year on year.
Okay.
And things like diaries and calendars have kind of not been as fashionable anymore. I think the mobile phone has replaced a lot of those. So where gifting has now become very prominent, however, and is doing really well, is in the space of keeping employees engaged. So you've got large IT companies which are doing a lot to keep talent, not have attrition happening in their organization. So it's almost become more like a long service award and also something to engage employees. So from that perspective, gifting has changed quite drastically. And also it's being used for new customer acquisition and holding on to customers. So we see a lot of that. And we also see a lot of gifting being used in product promotion. So also, like when you buy one, get something free. So that product that comes along, that freebie is actually growing. So gifting in that sense has actually started changing quite drastically.
Very interesting.